So I am here with Cindy, and we are going to install a BLUETTI 1 charger in her car.
I'm so excited.
So here's her car.
It's a little Ford Escape.
Ford Escape, what year?
2012 Ford Escape.
Okay.
Old.
So we figured out where it's going to go through the firewall. So under the dash, right in this corner, right there, where that wire is coming through. Right there. So in order to find the hole coming through here, I got a coat hanger and we're just going to poke it through. I don't know what that is here.
Yeah, I have a feeling it's the one bottom to the down to the right from it, because it looks kind of like that size. Can you
down there?
come on over this way?
Yeah.
You see what I'm looking at?
Oh,
You
yes.
think that's it?
Yes. I think that might be it. Okay. So,
all right.
So we were looking for how to put the wire through the firewall. And there were two places where wires were already going through, and it was kind of difficult to push through. But then Cindy was like, hey, how about this thing over here? Does this go through? And it does. So easy now. So let me make sure I'm not putting my elbow on something hot. So we were looking originally at, oh, the flashlight.
Yep.
Thank you. So we were looking originally at this hole coming through right there and this one coming through right there. And then Cindy saw this. Oops, the cap came off. And then Cindy saw this one here, right here, and said, hey, what's behind there? So I went on the inside.
Oh, you're going in.
That.
Okay.
And saw that there's this plastic cover right. There's this plastic cover right up here. And I opened it up and I saw white behind it.
I'll hold that for you.
Thanks. So we tried to unscrew. Where is it? So we tried to unscrew this and it wasn't catching on anything. So I'm like, hey, just try to pull it out. And it comes out. And look at that white filter stuff behind it. And I can poke my finger right through.
That's awesome.
Awesome.
Yes.
And here is that dang little cover that doesn't have any screws.
Or purpose anymore.
Yeah. Yay. All right. So
tell me what next.
Yeah, let's look at the box.
Okay.
So here's the cable that comes with, here's the fuse. So this is the part that goes inside the car. So it's the other end that's going to go through the firewall. And just taking off the, thank you. Oops, that fell. That's fine.
There's one.
Oh, good. So these are the ones that are going to go through the firewall and attach to the battery. So there's battery negative, battery positive. So let me poke those through.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
There are the cables right here.
Come on.
Yeah.
All right.
Yay! Man, that was easy.
Nice.
So let's pull those out. And they are going to attach onto the battery. So let's stop this here.
Okay.
We got all these parts here. Now we got to figure out what's what. But for the charger, this is the, says input plus and minus, output plus and minus. So the input is from the battery. And there are these covers that come up and then an Allen wrench that comes with it to raise and lower the screw to hold in the wire. So we can hook these up now.
Yeah.
And then do the battery.
Okay. All right.
The ends of the wires are really nicely done here.
So,
yep, so these are going to go to the input sides. And this one says positive, so it's going to go to the positive. And this one has a negative, so it's going to go to the negative.
Awesome. All right.
I'm going to stick that guy in there. Let's have it up like that. Teamwork.
Yeah. There we go. That feels
Nice
good.
and tight. And these are kind of squared off, so I'm making sure to put one of the flat sides up so that when the screw is clamped down, it's clamped down at the maximum.
Nice. All right.
Nice. Not coming out.
Sounds
so then
good.
On the other side, there is another cable. And then this one has labels on it that says PV, PV minus, PV positive. PV stands for polyvinyl, which
I did not know
that. Which means a solar panel. And that is because we have typical solar panel connectors on the end.
And I have those that we'll have to hook it up with.
Awesome. Okay, black, negative, going into the one labeled negative. And these are these round or squared? Oh, they're squared again. So I'm going to make sure that one of the flat sides is up. There we go.
Nice.
And a square side up here. Let's get that in a little more. Can you back up a little bit? All right.
Is that good?
I think so. I see a little bit of wire.
Maybe give it another. All right, give it another try.
There we go. Now it's in there as far as it can go.
Nice. Awesome. Yay. Okay.
All right. And then these MC4 connectors, you have.
Yep, I have them.
Awesome.
Let me grab that. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Ooh, you bought new ones.
Well, I had to have it repaired. I don't know if you saw that saga
I
or
did
not,
not.
but I had to have it repaired. BLUETTI was fantastic. Got it back to me and sent me an extra set of the cables. So
oh, excellent.
it worked perfectly.
Oh, because you have the barrel
Yep.
connector.
Yep, the 12 volt.
Yeah.
All right, so this is another one I'm not too
So
familiar
this
with.
one, these can only go one way.
Okay.
There's a male and a negative. You can only put them one way.
Awesome. That's easy enough, huh?
Yes.
That's something Cindy can do.
And it just snaps right in. Pull it and make sure it doesn't come out.
All good.
Yeah, you should pull it by the connectors rather than the wires.
Got it.
Awesome.
Sweet.
And then that just hooks into your power station.
Nice.
So we'll do the battery next.
Nice, nice, nice.
Okay, so we have the wires through and we're going to attach them to the battery. And I have a handy dandy ratchet set that we're going to set up. And I already checked that this is the right size. Let's stick it on this guy. Yay! So which one do we attach first? Positive or the negative?
I think it's the red
positive.
one, right?
All right. You want to do the honors?
I guess.
And make sure you're going in the right direction. There's a
think I
little
am.
switch there to change the direction. I don't know which way
I
it's...
think I'm going the wrong way.
Okay.
So. That feels better, yeah.
And I do not see a washer, but that's okay. Let me help push that through.
Yeah, it's on the actual back of the bolt. Do you see how
okay.
it's attached to it?
Yep.
All
right, so we have, the way it's set up is that it's higher on one side than the other. So we want to make sure that it's going this direction so it doesn't get bent. Okay.
I just can't see. Oh, there we go. Okay.
getting that guy lined up. You want to be on this side?
Not
Would that
yet.
help?
I think I can feel it. There we go. Let's see.
And you switch the direction?
Nope. Thank you. Looking good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can't see anything because of the glare.
All right, that is about as tight as I can do it.
Awesome. Let me make sure it doesn't move. Excellent.
Sweet. All right. Let's just. Do you want me to pull that back in, or are we okay?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, once we're done, we'll.
Okay. All right. Same thing here.
Yep. So just gonna. Yep. Yep.
Ooh. Okay.
Yay.
All right.
All right. So we're making sure this is in the same orientation again. And you switch the direction.
I'm a fast learner.
All
right. So does this look like a good angle?
Yes.
Or do I need to move
it looks perfect. And
All
nothing's moving now.
Should I pull from inside and then you let me know?
Yep.
Distance-wise, what we got?
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna hand that to you.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Okay. So let me zoom it out a little bit.
Just tell me when to stop.
Okay, little more, little more, little more. There you go. Perfect. Okay, so we got a little bit of slack, but not too much that is going to catch on stuff.
All right. Oh my gosh.
That's so exciting.
Should we test it out now?
Yeah. Let's try it.
Let's see if this dang thing works.
Yes.
I don't think that's going to go on because it hasn't been on the whole time I've ever had it.
Yeah, and it's not going to go on with this extra cord.
Do you want to?
I'll go on the other side, yeah.
All right. I need to look at the instructions just so I do this. I'm an order of operations person.
All right.
I hope you don't mind.
No, that's great.
All right, let's see. Tighten screws. Start the vehicle and wait about 30 seconds.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, moment of truth. I was afraid something's going to blow up after I attach something.
Me too. Okay. Fingers crossed.
Good luck.
All right. We'll give it 30 seconds, and then what am I supposed to do?
Yep. I don't see anything sparking. Let's see. There's the battery there. You can see the red terminal there.
Nice.
I don't see anything sparking.
Okay. I see a green light.
The green light's on.
Is it on this side?
Yep.
Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, I like that. Okay.
Yep. So the green light is on, and it's solid.
That's fast and nice. Okay.
180 AC.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it says to go ahead and plug it in if it's steady. So
Yay.
I think it's been about 30 seconds, right?
Yeah, close enough.
Connect the solar, blah, blah, blah. The indicator flashes green once per second. Is it flashing?
Not yet. There it goes.
Oh, look at that.
Flash, flash, flash.
And then use the app. So let's see.
Here's your phone.
All right. Let's do. There's BLUETTI. Update now. I'm not going to do that yet.
Yeah.
Add a device. Look at that. I shouldn't see 3, but I don't know why I see 3. There's my charger.
Yay!
Thank you, Ellen.
You are welcome. Oh, I'm so
my
excited
gosh.
for you.
Start. Let's see what's happening. Charger 1.
So in here, you'll be able to set how fast to charge and all sorts of options.
That's right, because I think it's like a voltage thing that I have to. All right,
and you can hook into our wireless if you want to update stuff.
Okay, so let me just double check. Use the app to output voltage to match the power station specification. Okay, so.
So you need to figure out what your power station specifications are.
All right, so charging voltage right now says 27 volts. And then I disconnected it. So now we're going to select the model, and I have the 180.
Awesome.
and then it just automatically should. Now it does say custom. So what were the options? I don't know if I want to. Yeah, I don't want to do that right now. So we'll just do this. Reminder: disconnect the device. I did. Blah blah. Okay.
Okay.
Wait
so
90 seconds before connecting to the power station to avoid damage. All right.
3, 2, 1. Done.
All right. So do that. We'll wait a couple
And
seconds.
this is green.
Steady. So that's
Green
good.
steady, which means you can plug that back in.
All right. And now,
let's see, we were charging at 212 before, and now we're at 257. Staying at 257.
85. Nice. Oh, nice. Come
and
on.
right now you're idle.
500.
Wow, congratulations.
I cannot thank you enough. This is so good, and what an amazing addition to being out here. This is going to be.
That's awesome. I'm so excited for you.
Thank you. Me too. Thank you in every respect.
You're welcome.